Hello everyone, welcome to my online class. This is Mrs. Samah. Our lesson today talking about water. Structure of water, formation of polar water molecule. As you had studied before, water molecule consists of one oxygen atom linked to two hydrogen atom by single covalent bond. As you had studied before, the oxygen atom, the ability of oxygen atom to attract the electron of bond towards it more than the hydrogen atom. So we call the molecule of water is polar compound. The angle between two hydrogen atom equal 104.5. Bonds between water molecule. The water molecule binding together by a type of weak electrostatic attraction bond called hydrogen bond. This is a hydrogen bond. This bond originated due to higher electronegativity between oxygen atom and hydrogen atom. Hydrogen bond. It is a type of weak electrostatic attraction that originated between the molecules of some polar compounds. Properties of water. Some properties of water. Water has physical properties and chemical properties. The physical properties of water. Water exists in three states. It's a good polar solvent, rising of its boiling and freezing point. Its density decreasing on freezing point. Chemical properties of water. It has neutral effect on both of litmus paper. Electrolysis of water. Physical properties of water. Water exists in three states. Water is an unique matter. Unique, this meaning special case matter, due to its existence in the three states at the ordinary temperature, which are solid state as ice, liquid state as water, gaseous state as water vapor. Water is good polar solvent. There are two types of compound. Ionic compound as table salt, covalent compound as sugar and oil. The most ionic compound dissolve in water as table salt. This picture is table salt. Can dissolve in water easily. Some covalent compound as sugar can dissolve in water because it can form hydrogen bond with water molecule. As you can see, this is molecule of sugar can form a hydrogen bond with water. So this sugar can dissolve in water. Water can dissolve covalent compound that can't form hydrogen bond with water, such as oil. Chemical properties of water. Water has neutral effect into litmus paper. You have studied before there are two types of compound which are acid and base. You can differentiate between them by using litmus paper. Acid change blue litmus paper into red, while base change red litmus paper into blue. But in the case of water, water neutral effect on both litmus paper, meaning don't affect on both type of litmus paper. As you can see, when you put both litmus paper into water, the litmus paper doesn't affect. Raising of water boiling point and its freezing point. It was supposed that the boiling point of water is less than 100 Celsius and the freezing point of water is less than 0 Celsius. But in the normal atmospheric temperature, pure water boils at 100 Celsius due to presence of the hydrogen bond between its molecule, and pure water freezes at 0 Celsius, also due to presence the hydrogen bonds between. Electrolysis of water. If you pass electric current through acidified water meaning water and drops of dilute sulfuric acid, as shown in it, you will notice there are gas bubbles evolve in cathode negative pole and anode positive pole. The device that used to electrolysis of water called Hoffman's voltmeter, which is consist of two poles, which are positive pole called anode and negative pole called cathode, and connected with source of electricity. The acidified water decomposed by electricity into oxygen gas that evolve at anode. This is hydrogen gas, and this is oxygen gas at anode. Oxygen gas evolve at anode. This is oxygen gas, and hydrogen gas at cathode. The ratio between hydrogen gas and oxygen gas is about 2 to 1 by volume, because the water molecule is composed of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. If you are pushing a glowing splint in a tube that contain gas coming from cathode, it will burn with pop sound because it consists of hydrogen gas glowing splint in the tube that coming from cathode. This tube consists of pop sound because it consists of hydrogen gas. But if you are pushing from tube coming from anode, the glowing will be increased. As you can see, this is anode. As you can see, the glowing increasing because this tube contain oxygen gas which evolve at anode. So we can say the water molecule by electrolysis is decomposed into 2 hydrogen atom and 1. Water pollution. Water pollution meaning addition of any substance to water, which causes continually gradually change in water properties and effect on the health and life of living organisms. Water pollution. Environmental pollutants are divided generally into 2 kinds: which are natural pollutants, artificial pollutants. First, natural pollution. They are arises from natural phenomena such as volcano eruption, death of living creature, and lightning accompanying thunderstorm. Second, artificial pollution. They arises from different human activities such as biological pollution. It comes from mixing of animals and human wastes with water. It causes many diseases such as bilharzia, typhoid, and hepatitis. Chemical pollution. It comes from discharging factors, wastes, and sweages in sea, rivers, and canals. It causes increasing in the concentration of some elements in fish bodies, such as lead, which causes the death to brain cell. Increasing the mercury concentration in drinking water causes blindness. Increasing the arsenic concentration causes liver cancer. Thermal pollution. It is the increasing in water temperature in areas which is used in cooling the nuclear reactors. It causes death of marine creature due to the separation of dissolved oxygen gas from water. Radiation pollution. It comes from throwing of atomic wastes in the ocean and seas, leakage of radioactive material from nuclear reactors. Protection of water from pollution. We can prevent water pollution by following some behaviors such as preventing or getting rid of sewage, wastes of factor and dead animal in river. 2. The development of a station of water purification. 3. Disinfection of the drinking water tank. 4. Avoid storing the tap water in plastic bottles because plastic react with chlorine gas in water leading to cancer. 5. Spreading environmental awareness about water pollution. Thank you for following.